Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another Shane McRetro video. This is essentially a Merry Christmas video, so a very Merry Christmas to everyone out there, and of course, a Happy New Year for 2022, which is just around the corner. I do apologize for the lack of video content over the past year or two. To be honest, work has been quite busy and distracting, so I haven't had that much time to actually do what I want to do, which is play with video games and stuff. Unfortunately, I can't see that changing in the near future, but that said, fun things can happen. I'll still upload to this channel, of course, so stay tuned. There's always more around the corner. I've just got to find it. Well, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and love to all. May we see you in the next video. Shane McRetro, signing out. Wait, did that one wrong? I've got to turn. How's that? It's a good video. Yeah, we'll keep that one. Bit of greenery outside, looks nice. Love your work. McRetro out? I already said that. I've got to go. Bye.